Hi everyone, this is Savi offering a genial welcome to you all on my YouTube channel Spoken English by Savi. I hope you are doing well and safe, and if you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel and watch my previous videos as well. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the important tips and tricks to learn English, as I'll be telling you how I learned English and how can you learn English as well. So watch the video till the end, as I'll be telling you the important tips and tricks which I used at my time as well. Guys, let me clear you one simple thing. See, there is nothing to fear about, nothing at all. English is just a language. You don't have to fear any. And I am 100% sure after watching this video, you will surely say that English is just as simple as any other language. Now listen to all my tips very carefully and try to implement it in your life. Guys, first of all, don't just feel bad about it that you don't know how to communicate with others or how to speak English, right? Because it's just not only your fault. You didn't got that type of atmosphere from the very beginning. It depends on the atmosphere very much, as when a child is born, right? Initially parents, they do converse or communicate in Hindi only, as Hindi is our mother tongue. We live in India, so we didn't got that type of atmosphere if we talk about 90s or 2000, or if I could say just talking about 5-6 years back. But nowadays parents are very much into it, right? They just try to make their child learn about English in the initial years only. They do communicate in English only nowadays, but we don't have to feel bad about it, right? Because it is not at all our fault only. So we can speak English even now. We can learn it even now also, right? So don't feel anything like you won't be able to learn it. You will be able to learn it, and you will learn it, right? Talking about me, how I learned English and why I am good in English is, I was good in English from the very starting, right? And I used to score good in English, or English was my favorite subject. To tell you about a story behind it, I'm not actually, because I was good from the beginning also. But when I was in 10th standard, what happened was a new teacher came to teach us English, and she was very pretty, right? And when I saw her for the first time, she was teaching us, and I just wanted to become her favorite student at that time. That's it. This was all my motive. So what I did was I just tried to improve my English a little more, so that she praises me and says that I am good and all that stuff. So it was just a childish kind of behavior, you can say, but even now I am still in touch with her, right? And she is very good, and she's just like a family to me now. And also guys, I would make you meet with her, right? In my coming videos, I'm just planning to do a duo with her. So very soon I'll be introducing her to you people as well, right? So now coming back to the topic and giving you some tips for learning English. See, the basic or the first problem, it just lies in conversation only. You don't have that much courage that you converse with someone, or even if you have now, even if you converse with someone in English, he or she would just kind of discourage you. They'll say that you are not good at English, और ये क्या कर रहा है, जब देखो ये इंग्लिश में बातें करता रहता है, या ये इंग्लिश झाड़ रहा है हमारे ऊपर. This is what people usually does, right? बट हमें उन सब चीज़ों से बाहर आना है, राइट? हमें अगर आपने इंग्लिश सीखनी है ना, सिंपल फंडा यही है कि किसी के मत सुनो. आप बस अपना जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है, यू जस्ट ट्राई टू कन्वर्स, यू जस्ट ट्राई टू स्पीक एज मच एज यू कैन. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट सिंपलेस्ट इन द बेसिक फॉर्मूला ऑफ लर्निंग इंग्लिश. अगर कोई बोल भी रहा है तो लेट इट बी. आप बस अपना चुपचाप बोलो, मतलब जो भी आप चाहते हो, यू जस्ट स्पीक, एंड वट एवर यू आर लर्निंग, यू जस्ट ट्राई टू कन्वर्स, यू जस्ट ट्राई टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर पीपल्स एज वेल. एंड मतलब एकदम से यू कैनॉट डू लाइक दिस, एकदम से यू कैनॉट स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. सो इवन इफ यू हैव सम काइंड ऑफ phobia, right? I would say it, even if you have some kind of phobia from English, what you can just do is you just start learning by your own, you just start reading by your own, you just start speaking by your own, and stand in front of the camera and try to speak as much as you can. You just see your face over there, you just make an eye contact with yourself in the mirror and try to speak as much as you can. As simple as that. And the second thing lies over here, listening, right? Just listen a lot of news, right? You can watch news channels at what I preferably say I used to watch is CNN news and BBC, right? Also guys, मतलब आजकल तो in nowadays or in today's time, most of the people, they are watching web series or movies and all that stuff. So even if we watch some web series or movies in Prime Video, you can say, or on Netflix na, so what we mostly see now, there are subtitles given over there, right? Everything they are saying now, there will be subtitles for that. So you just try to read that subtitles, you just try to understand it, you just try to observe how they are saying it and what is written over there. And if you find any new word now, just Google it and find its meaning, right? And try to implement it in your daily life as well. Understanding it is also most important. Try to understand whatever new word or new sentence you get into it, and whatever you listen to other people's what they are saying. If you get anything which is useful for you, and if you get anything which is good and which is new to you, you just observe it, you just pick it up and try to implement it in your life as well, in your speaking as well. And if you find anything which is new, a new word, you just Google it and find its meaning. Mainly the Google is filled with a lot of information, a lot of content for English. So you just pick up any daily use sentences and try to improve your vocabulary is most important. Try to improve it. You just develop a habit of learning 2-3 new words every day. मतलब ये अपना routine में you just add it कि रोज के 2 या 3 words new सीखने हैं. चाहे Google से you find the content or from anywhere, you just find 2-3 new vocabulary words every day and उसको use करो. Try to make a sentence out of it. Try to form a sentence out of it. It will help you a lot. And then what you can do is learn basic grammar. Means अभी high level grammar पे initially मत जाना, because spoken English में I could say और speaking में ना grammar ठीक है, it is important. बट इनिशियली इफ़ यू गो ऑन टू ग्रामर ना कि इतना ज़्यादा हाई लेवल आप समझना चाहोगे या करना चाहोगे, तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. यू जस्ट गो फॉर बेसिक ग्रामर फर्स्ट, राइट? अभी यू कैन जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द रूल्स ऑफ इट. रूल्स निकालो ग्रामर के, जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स होते हैं, टेंसेस या ऐसे डेली यूज़ में जो आपके काम आने वाले हैं, राइट? सो यू जस्ट फाइंड द रूल्स आउट ऑफ इट एंड स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट बेसिक ग्रामर इज़ ऑल अबाउट. And next I would suggest you to read. Yes, develop a habit of reading. बहुत improve करेगा. It will improve your vocabulary. It will improve your understanding power, your analysis power, and most preferably आप newspaper read करो या comic books या English novels you can read. तो उससे आपकी understanding बहुत ज़्यादा improve होगी. It will help you a lot. And whenever you read now, read it loud. Yeah, read it aloud. It will in turn help you to improve your speaking as well. Yes, I did it a lot at my time. Yes, what I just used to do now, I just used to give myself a time limit of 30 seconds or 40 seconds or even 25 seconds, 35 seconds to read a paragraph or to read 2 paragraphs. मतलब day by day you just start increasing your limits. Day by day अपने challenges increase करो, limits increase करो यहाँ पे reading के लिए. एंड इससे एक चीज़ और जो इम्प्रूव होगी, दैट वुड बी योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन. येस, प्रोनाउंसिएशन बहुत इम्प्रूव होगी. कोई न्यू वर्ड है या कोई लेंथी वर्ड है, लॉन्ग कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड है, उसको कैसे प्रोनाउंस करना है वो आपको पता लगेगा. एंड इवन इफ़ यू डोंट गेट टू नो इट ना, कि नहीं भी पता लग रहा, तो गूगल करो. गूगल पे ऑल दी प्रोनाउंसिएशंस आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. Start speaking and conversing with others in English, right? Start communicating, start imitating. If you get any new word or anything which I told you earlier as well, तो उसको imitate करना शुरू करो. You just start imitating what you get from other people. You just start mimicking it. And one thing more, initially you just don't focus much on grammar. I know it's important, right? Grammar is also important, but in speaking na, nobody really cares. मतलब if you are speaking with fluency or if you are speaking the correct sentences now, grammar is not, which is much focused at, and nobody will be going to tell you that this is wrong, that is wrong. It's just that your fluency matters, your perfection matters, and nobody is truly perfect, so practice will obviously make you perfect. But so speak as much as you can, and it will help in turning, to make you perfect, and your grammar will also be perfect after some time. So you just understand the basic rules of it, and else everything is perfect.
Till now, I think you are pretty much clear on how you are going to start and learn English. So what you have to do is now just make a plan and start working on it, right? And if you have any query regarding this video or my previous videos, you just simply message me or comment in the comment section below. I'll surely reply to you, and I would surely love to know how you like this video and my previous videos. And if you liked my video, please share it with your loved ones, and please subscribe to my channel, as your support is much needed for my motivation, and I promise to bring more such informative content for you people. Till the next time we meet, bye bye and take care.